Hey guys, I received a lot of requests for some more hair tutorials. So today I'll be showing you how to do this spring, summer, beachy waves. This is something that you can do without having to worry about your hair being super frizzy during warmer climates. So let's just get started.
The first thing that I'm going to do is apply a primer. This is the Living Proof Prime Style Extender, and it just helps to keep the hairstyle together, and it also helps with frizz control during the warmer climates. And the tools I'll be using for this are the Revlon Deep Waver Iron and the Conair Wand. So I'm just going to start off by taking chunks of hair from the back, starting from the top, and then I will just start making small waves down to the tips. And I like to hold my iron at a bit of a slant just so it looks more natural and it's not so drastic. Then after I finished applying the waves, I'm just going to use this Sexy Hair Soy Renewal Beach Spray. Spray it all over my hair, and it just gives it that saltwater, breezy, sexy beach wave look. And then finally, I'll top it off with this Frederic Fekkai Anti-Frizz Silkening Cream. And this just keeps it all together, controls the frizz for when I go outside. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and leave any comments below.